Hey guys, it's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I'm going to show you guys how I pack and ship my products. I am in which used to be my old office, but now it's kind of like my print and ship station. I have my heat press machine here, I have my printer here, and I have my cutter here, and then I have just a little bit of supplies here and kind of like some storage of some other supplies down here. I don't even want to show y'all because they look a mess, okay? But that's there. So this is like a loft part of my house. I don't even know I guess that's what you can call it, but it was just like a empty area, and this is initially where I had my office set up, but now there's a TV here with the TV stand, and then this futon that you can sit in, and then I'm going to show you guys the desk, well, like the built-in desk that came here that I have my machines on, okay? So again, this is my office, not done, not finished, but this is my office. This is the stuff that I was saying it was trash, the t-shirts, the stuff that I don't know what to do with, but it's not done yet. And then when you walk out the room, I have like when I go to book signings and events, stuff in there. So there's books in there. Here is where I keep my pens. Well, right there, here, pens, patches, and stuff like that. Here's my printer. It's the Epson Workforce 7720, my heat press machine, my Teflon sheet, and I was just using this to mark off orders, some vinyl that is already cut, and one that is already peeled, and I have my Cameo on the floor. That's why this is my old printer, had to upgrade. It's TV here, and then this futon here. So what I have right now here is I have a few orders that will be going out, shipping label, my pack-ins, and a list, my sticker paper, and some label paper that I need to print out. One more label, so I'm going to print the label out, and then I'm going to cut some vinyl. Okay, so I use waterproof packing baggies, and I just peel this off, stick it on there. I have these little plastic baggies, and then I put my little card in there. I pack in, and then when I print out more stickers, I'll put them in here, but right now I only have the Protect Black Women ones. And then I have one order that is going to Canada, so you have a customs slip here, so it looks different than a normal packing slip. Normally most people would be like, oh my gosh, I gotta go to the post office, but once you've been doing this for a while, it's easy to kind of just, I'm probably gonna have to do that over because that bent, but yeah, and that's how I do that. But once I put the stickers in there, all I do is take the sticky part off of this and then fold that down and put it inside. So I went ahead and put my sticker paper inside my printer, and I'm about to pull up the Silhouette Studio so I can print out the stickers. So I'm probably gonna put this on time lapse as you watch me get the stickers ready, have it printed out, and cut it in my machine, okay? Print the stickers here to my printer. I hit print. I did. but just waiting. All right, so that should come out. And then we're gonna print it on the sheet. So I can only print one at a time. But I'm gonna line it up on the cutting mat. I have to connect my cutting mat to my computer. Not my cutting mat, my Cameo, to my computer. I have to turn it on. And I like to pull out the feet. Sorry. These little feet right here. And then I'm going to load my paper. And then I am going to send it. Have to change the setting here to the sticker paper to where it will cut all the way through on the red line. So I did this. Oh, no. Yeah, I done messed up my thing. Hold on. Okay, so I have a few shirts that I had to make, so I'm pulling it up on my screen, and I am going to put my vinyl down on my cutting mat. I might bring y'all back down to the floor for this. Yeah, so I have to put the vinyl on the mat, and it is shiny side down. Sometimes I go a little over that the beginning line of the vinyl, just in case my settings jump start. So it's 3 rows from the top, and I kind of just fold it so I can get a crease to cut, because I don't like wasting vinyl. So I'm gonna cut that. And then I'm gonna load my machine. I have 2 Protect Black Women shirt and then 1 Protect Black Man shirt. So I'm about to print the Protect Black Men shirt, and it's already on the setting that it needs to be, which is heat transfer smooth, and I already mirrored it, so I'm just gonna hit send and send as is, and we'll send to the printer, and I'll put y'all on timeline. Alright, y'all, I am back. So I have a few different designs that I am going to weed and put aside to press for when the rest of my shirts come in. So I'm going to put you guys on time lapse. So these are the ones that I peeled for today, and I'll come back with a part two. I'll come back with a part two when I start to press my shirts, when my inventory gets here and me actually shipping my packages out. So thanks guys. Talk to you soon, and love you more than I love this video. Peace.